All right, folks, this is not your average lunch bag. This is a strawberry superstar of lunch bags. First off, it's huge. We're talking up to 16 cans of soda if you wanted to, because sometimes lunch is a party, right? The wide open top means no more awkward shoving containers in awkward angles. Everything slides in, no problem. Inside, you've got a leak-proof and easy-to-clean liner. So when your yogurt explodes, and you know it will one day, you just wipe it and go. Keep your food fresh up to 12 hours cold and 6 hours of warm. So yes, your soup and salad are both safe. The side pocket is perfect for your water bottle. And the handles feel solid even when it's stuffed. Let's be real, the strawberry print is ridiculously cute. It makes packing lunch fun. Wrinkles from packaging? Yep, but they smooth out in a couple of days. So yeah, it's big, it's practical, it's adorable, and it might just be the best lunch date you've ever had.